Let's paint. Let's do a custom paint on Yong Bao. We're gonna turn this Yong Bao to blue Yong Bao. Let me open it. I couldn't find the old one. So, anyways, I have a lot of this. Let's make this Yong Bao blue. Okay. The problem is, okay, I think it will be easy just to paint this blue. Alright, let's go. Excellent. Okay, we got this ready for blue. Okay, the only easy way I found to remove this part right here, we gotta pull this face out, and then let's see. Okay, excellent. It's coming out. Cool. Cool. Let's see. There we go. So I gotta cut this tube or pipe, whatever you want to call it, that's holding the face. So I'm gonna glue it back later. The most important thing is to paint the red blue. Let's prepare for painting. So the idea is to put the tape in here and then cut the edges all around. I was trying to remove the running board, the foot plate, but it's gonna take me forever. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna paint everything blue, and then with my marker, oil-based marker, I'm gonna paint the running board all around where it needs black, so it will not be so complicated, because these things are glued together and it's really hard to remove them. It might take a long time. Anyways, so for this train we'll use this blue. It's gloss brilliant blue. It might look a little bit like a baby glue or blue, but it's a little dark. Alright, while the paint is drying, I'm gonna paint the wheels white. Now the next step that I use to paint this around the wheel, I got with the same pins, I just stick it into my drill, and now I can have even paint around the wheel. Now the next wheel. Alright, let's put this back together. Okay, next I'm gonna paint very careful around the wheel. Okay, now I have to paint the white lining on this Yong Bao. See, okay, with the shadow, darker, clear, brighter. Okay, never mind. Let's go ahead and paint the white lining. Okay, time to start putting back together everything. The blue color you see on this train is not baby blue. It's just that my settings on my camera are overexposed. I'm gonna turn it off for a minute so you can see the difference. That's the real color, blue, dark blue. So for recording purposes, I used to crank up the exposure so you can see a clear image on the video. Okay, I'm gonna finish with the windows. I wanted to use stickers on the windows, but I'm gonna use my marker to see what the results are. For the last part, I'm gonna use my ultra fine point marker for this little line. I don't have any rules, but I'm gonna use this fork right here as a guide. Let's see. There you go.